In this video, I'll be showing you how you can center align text only for the mobile view on Squarespace. Over Squarespace, what I want to do is I want to have this text right here, which is left aligned on the web, to be center aligned on the mobile. But I do want to, as I said, still have it left aligned here. Because what would happen if I come into the mobile view and try to center align it here? You can see that when we hover over to the web version, you will see that this is also center aligned, and that I don't want. I want it to be left aligned here, but center aligned on mobile. And in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to add some very simple code. So let's hop in here, come into the website tools, and then click on the custom.css. Inside here, you will have to paste a code. The code is down in the description, so just copy and paste that in right here. And as you can see here, we target the mobile, and we say that this ID should have the text aligned to the center. What we need to do is we need to locate the ID for the text block that we want to have center aligned. In order to do that, what I really do recommend you to do is download this extension right here, which is called the Squarespace ID Finder. I will also link that in the description, so just hover over to the Chrome store and download that. And as you can see here, when I click that, it immediately shows me the different blocks here. So in this instance, I want to have this block only center aligned, and I want to have this left aligned. So let's do it. So let's copy that and paste that in here instead of your ID block. Let's like this, and then let's hover over to the mobile view. And you can see that right now, this is center aligned on mobile view, but still left aligned on the web view. Also, for example, if you wanted to do this text block center aligned, we could also do that by just copying this and then putting a comma after here and pasting it in. And then you can also see that that becomes center aligned. That is just a really good way to do it if you have two blocks that you want to have center aligned, but we are not going to, copy paste and do that code again. So we can just add a comma and then add another block ID. That was a very simple tutorial on how you can center align text on the mobile view only while still having it differently on the web. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe.